Johnny, check this guy out. Freaking 0 degrees outside. He's outside. He's probably Pokemon going or something stupid right now.
Something, I don't know. We used to be that guy, though. Remember that?
Nah, I don't remember that at all.
You know, we were there.
Never.
We were there.
Never me.
Yeah,
Never me. Well, if he ever gets his butt in here, then we can start cooking pizza.
Maybe.
All right, everybody, welcome back into the Smoke Ring Society. With you, as always, Anvil. My guy, Luke. Yep, I ran right over. I'm going to run over you every single time, son. Every time. I'm stepping all over you.
How you doing?
As you might have noticed, we're in a different spot. This is not the worldwide headquarters of the Smoke Ring Society. We are on location.
Where are we?
We are at Smoke Ring Society members' house, Captain Bennett. And
Where is he? Where is he?
What do you mean, where is he? Well, he's a little bashful.
Oh, yeah?
A little bashful. He doesn't want to be on camera. He's mysterious like that.
They say we just broke into his kitchen and started using all this stuff.
That's right. That's right. Well, his wife and kids are out of town. She's like, come on over, boys. Come on over. Let's make some pizza and we'll, make some mistakes.
He's going to get a call after this like, why are you letting people in our house?
Yeah, well, in a few days. When
it goes live. It's too cold to smoke anything.
It is.
And I'm proof of that.
It's actually
fucking freezing my ass off. So what are we making? What are we doing instead?
Detroit-style pizza.
Detroit style.
Detroit. That's the way I say it.
I think you said Chicago wrong, but all right.
Well, don't tell anybody. Chicago's the best pizza in the freaking world. Yeah. But I'm a little partial to Detroit style because I like crispy blackened cheese around the edge and thick crust and tons of freaking
meat.
It's good.
Yeah,
it's real good.
Yeah, buddy.
It's real good. And that's why we're over here. Because Captain Bennett, he is the master of Detroit-style pizza.
Is he from Detroit?
No, actually, he is from the Chicago suburbs, just like the rest of us.
Yeah, we'll see how this goes, then.
I guess we will. We will indeed find out, Hoss. Welcome back into the society, everyone. That's no hot take on Detroit-style pizza. It has a lot going on for it. Lots of similarities between the two, Chicago and Detroit. And deep dish isn't real Chicago style. Fight me on that. I can already hear you. Anvil, you beautiful idiot. Why are you making pizza? This is a meat smoking channel. Because it's frickin' February outside and it's cold. I got nothing to prove. Look at him go. I told you he was a pro. Major embarrassment coming up for me in 3, 2, 1. I've never tried to toss pizza crust, pizza dough. I'm going to try it right now. This is going to be terrible. It's going to be a disaster. And there's people here watching, and I'm putting it in the world, so here we go. Let's try it. And old boy's worried that I'm going to mess up his floors, even though he dropped cheese everywhere.
Well, he knows you're better at tossing salad than pizza.
Easy.
Let's go.
Yeah, just put a giant hole. Oh, this is terrible. I take zero responsibility.
It's tossed, man.
It's tossed.
All right, it's tossed.
Right on both counts. It was a terrible disaster, big boy. But have fun with it. Have fun. Next time, leave the dough flipping to the pros. If that looked like a lot of cheese, you're probably right. Between the Munster and the Mott's, pretty sure there was about 5 pounds, and here comes about a pound of pepperonis. It was 2 packs. Lots and lots of food. Here's the payoff. Look at all that oil and cheese sizzling and bubbling and getting all crispy. Oh my goodness. I couldn't believe how good this smelled and how good it tasted. We had a great time making this pizza, and we had an even better time eating it. Let us know what you thought in the comments. All right, there it is. It's done. Looks delicious. Smells even better. All right, let's dive in.
I will take this little one.
Go ahead.
This little popper.
That's the cheesy crunchy
Ready?
stuff.
Cheers.
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 Oh my God.
That's good, man. That's
That's
good.
fantastic. Yeah, it's so good. It's a combination of the cheese.
Yeah, absolutely.
The Munster and the mozzarella.
Yeah.
That's what did it.
Mm-hmm.
I haven't even got to the best part yet.
Mm-hmm.
That right there.
That's really good.
Oh my God.
Really good. Oh,
Well, fantastic.
Yeah.
We'll come over and make this on Super Bowl Sunday. We're going to let you go at this point because we're going to destroy the rest of this pizza and drink a whole lot more beer.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go stuff.
Thanks for tuning in, everybody. I'm Anvil. This is Luke. We're out.
Bye.